Students, today our topic is sensitivity towards others. This is the fourth lesson of class 5th. In this lesson, we are going to be studying about the physically challenged children and socially challenged children. How do we fit with these types of the people and how we can help to improve their life and make them to lead a comfortable life. Physically challenged children. Physically means the children who are hearing impaired or visually impaired. Hearing impaired children are those who cannot listen, and visually impaired children are those who cannot see properly. In the earlier times, no special training or the education was given to them, and that is why these type of the children have to lead a miserable life. But in modern times, the proper guidance, training, and education is provided to them, which makes their life more comfortable and valuable to the society. It makes them happy and they can lead a respectable life. These type of the children require special training, and the family and school are the major factors that can play a major role in changing the life of these types of the children. Inclusive education. This type of the education is must be imparted to the physically challenged children so that they can lead a comfortable or the normal life. In this education, the children who are physically challenged children must be integrated with the other normal children. They should be sent to the normal schools so that they can be overcome the hurdles of their life. You can see in this picture these types of the facilities that are provided by the government to these physically impaired children so that they can be joined together with the normal children and they can get education through the inclusive education. Socially challenged children. These are the children who are deprived or of the right of live a respectable life. They spend their life mostly in the slums or the streets. They are neglected and mostly live a miserable life. These type of the children do not get education and dignity. They have to be work uh, in their very small age in the summertime in the factories or in the dhabas in order to earn their livelihood. No doubt, students, our government has made efforts by giving them free education, books, or the uniform. These children and their parents should be guided. You can also see this in this picture that these types of the facilities that are provided by the government of India to make the life of these socially challenged children more comfortable. Government provided them free education and midday meal is there to provide food to these types of the children in the school. These children and their parents should be guided. Parents should encourage to send their children properly or the regularly to the school. So the students, we must be join our hands together to improve the life of these types of the children. We should have the positive attitude which makes their life more comfortable. We must build a strong and equal society. Thank you.